Good morning, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters for a living. Boo-wah. Hey, Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. We are back at Project X. Actually, I'm leaving the house. It is sunny and snowing because I live in Michigan. Enough said. Thanks for coming on board, people. Enjoy. Got a lot of things going on. I have about 4 pages worth of things got to do in this particular area. So we're knocking them off one at a time. Finished up the cave area yesterday and dungeon area, and took care of hallway of doors. Today we're going to see if we can get to the vampire and fix him up, and then on to the crypt of the vampires to fix that all up. We have skeletons arriving later on that we'll be distressing, plus we'll be producing some foam skulls and stuff. That will be done in the future. In the meantime, we're going to get the area prepared. So thanks for coming on board. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and hey, check out the stuff in the descriptions below. Join me on TikTok. Check out Stuartizm.shop. All sorts of cool things, swag from the Stewmeister. And thanks people for being here. We'll see you in the next video. Godspeed, take care. Well, today we're working on this bad boy here. Now, he's in great shape, but there was some road rash here and up above and on his hand. So what we're doing is we're taking a tannish brown, we're mixing it with doing a 70, 30, 10, and that is 70%. How does that work? Yeah, 60%. Yeah, 60%. Latex, mass latex for monster makers, and we're adding in 10% water and 20 to 30% paint. That might add up more, but you get the drift. It works out pretty good, and we are going to just touch this up. Now, I've already hit this portion, and I'm going to let it dry, and I hit that portion up top, and we're about to do the hand, so we'll sit there and document that, and then we'll blend it all in. Hang on, now there was a big road rash right here. I got that taken care of. And up top, see if you can see it. Yeah, I need to put another coat on there. You can see where the blemish is. And down here, you can see we got some road rash right there. Down on the knuckles, it looks to be like the operator would let it just dangle. So we're gonna take care of that. Even though it's gonna be kind of a dark lighting situation, we're gonna make sure these are all pretty. And then I have Monster Maker's Perma Wet. Just come and give that nice gloss look again. So let's get these bad boys.